Bozy, kasasabi lang natin doon sa bandang bandang dulo ng first set na parang nananahimik si Myla Pablo. Pagsabi natin ng gano'n,
Kumukuha na pala ng buwelo.
oo, 7 points on 7 attacks. And look at the reaction. It's the reaction that's priceless, actually, after the kill. The reaction shows so much confidence. Look at that. Look at that.
It sort of also pumps up the other members
Yes,
of the squad.
Of course. How will Ateneo react? Din, solo block. Ordas naman ngayon.
Ordaz with a down-the-line mid-hit.
It's Coach Francis's time now to do the clinch, the pump fist. Look at that.
Because this is just so beautiful.
Yep.
Napakaganda. Short stab, down the line. Perfectly executed down the line hit.
It's getting out of hand here for Ateneo. Giselle Tan gives a point to National U. Oh.
On an overreaching violation.
Imagine the pressure that this girl's all of a sudden feeling. This youngster who's, eto na yung baptism of fire niya, kumbaga. Pablo, good serve.
Yan ang mahirap dito, yung hindi siya basta-basta pwede palitan. Minsan yung pag pinapasok ka, at the back of your mind, pwede kang palitan eh.
Look at her. You see in the reaction how frustrated she's getting, and it adds more to her pressure.
Practice tayo sa laro, hindi pwedeng para ganun-ganun ka lagi. Ganun-ganun. Hindi pwede kang manginayang. Hindi tinuturuan ka sa ensayo eh. Gagawin mo lang eh. Chance mo yan eh. Wala si Jem eh, Hindi naman dahilan na first year ka. Kailangan lang dyan buo yung loob mo. Ibigay mo sa spiker mo ng maayos. Yun ang isipin mo, wag mong isipin yung sarili mo. Isipin mo kung ano yung maganda para sa spiker. Resiban nyo. Resiban nyo ng maayos para makaset ng maayos. Ha?
Yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger, dun yung unang punto niya parang huwag mo ipakita sa kalaban na na-frustrate ka.
Yes. And of course, these setters also came from high school. They've been, ang setter kasi normally, setter talaga si Coach August na yung nagbabago na laro ng mga players eh. Pero itong sila Giselle, I've seen her play in high school. In fact, 3rd year pa lang, napansin ko na tong batang to. So she has also played a lot, but of course, iba naman yung college volleyball. But still, you can get something of that 4 years of playing in high school.
Pero kailangan talaga tulungan.
Yung first ball, yun ang importante. That you give it to her na pwede niyang iset sa mga spikers.
Now, National U here cannot be too comfortable, cannot be too complacent, and cannot be too loose. They need to have that killer instinct to put away this Ateneo team. We're down 5 here. Santiago. Lazaro digging that up. Great set for Valdez. Valdez was there to cover her own attack. Nagdalawang isip si Ordaz. Kaya pa yun.
Pwede pa talaga na ibalik pa sana yun. Ito sa high ball. Malapit naman dun sa area nila. But nag-hesitate si Ordaz.
Ayun, Lazaro was telling Giselle, Tan, pinapagpag yung kamay. Relax lang ng konti. Oh!
Salibad with that poor second ball gives Ateneo another point.
So let's listen in to National U this time.
Siya na yung magre-receive. Hinaharangan mo pa siya ng gano'n eh. Hayaan mo na siya mag-receive. Umatake ka na lang. Nakuha. Isipin nyo, lamang tayo 19-14. Nagbibitaw tayo ng 3 points. Bakit? Bakit kaya? Hayaan na natin siya sa receive. Mataas naman ang bola, hindi naman diretso eh. National.
Siya, meaning Jen Reyes. Yun ang ipinupuntir yan ni Coach Francis na bayanan natin siya. Like I said, best receiver, best digger in the league so far for National U.
Let her do her job. Doing
Ayun.
really well. Ayan, tama.
Ordaz Bumuelo. Lazaro was there. Tan goes over.
Another violation on Giselle Tan. Once again, hindi rin kasi madali yung first ball na binibigay kay Giselle. As we take a look at it once again, clearly, isi-save na lang dapat niya yung second ball na yun. But the violation came first, so ball goes to NU.
Will they swipe it?
Oh, smart play there. Eliza Valdez getting checked.
Now, if you're an attacker here for Ateneo, if you're Eliza, Phil, Herbacio, and everybody else, you know that you have a little bit of a nervous setter. Sige, sabihin na natin, ganyan yung nakukuha nating first ball. The sets are not going to be perfect. What do you do?
Well, first of all, you gotta get out of your comfort zone. Diba? You gotta, you have that mindset na mag-a-adjust ka every set.
Parang, ano? Ganun na mangyayari niyan. Balik ang bola sa Ateneo. Tan, quickly to Ho. But NU's defense has been superb today in general. Inangat kay Valdez. Reyes again was there. Nobody home for NU, so a free ball for Ateneo, and they go to Gretchen. That's a net block. That's just too low.
That was a low set coming from Giselle, but again, bravely, she has given Gretchen Ho 2 quick hits. Pero this time, Gretchen Ho not making that second one. So, matapang naman, kaya lang nagbibigay na nagre-risk ng konti. I'm talking about Giselle Tan.
Santiago with a bullet. Kainglet saves it. Herbacio.
Oh.
A live ball. Ordaz, full approach. Tan recovers and goes to Eliza Valdez. Pablo says, kayang-kaya. Santiago finds a donut hole on the Ateneo defense.
And after that save, si Nathan Santiago just gives an off speed and look at her position. She just saved that ball in Ateneo.
From the back line, ano?
Oh, no one there. For defense, mataas naman yung bola.
Because she's a server, so she can't take off from the front line. For those who are still not familiar with that rule, she has
really
to.
Awkward.
Oh, she had to take off from the back line and still find a spot on the off speed. Ordaz naman ngayon sa gitna. That's a net block too. Abante pa rin ang apat ang National U. Tajima will come back for Ateneo.
Well, they really need someone at the middle for defense.
Reyes has been solid though. Ordaz sent back.
This is why Tajima was sent in. That's going across court.
You also will wonder how National U will attack Giselle Tan when she's in the front line, like right now. Free ball for Ateneo. What are they going to do? They go up on a combination play.
And Giselle Tan, I guess she can get some confidence from that last play.
That's an excellent point, Mosey. Combination, the fake, the follow, the put away.
Ang liit ang blocker dito, pasisiksikin mo siya doon. Papuntahin mo siya dito. Sa receive formation. Hindi nyo tinitingnan, tapos nagbigay ka ng B3. Magbibigay ka ng B3, nandito si Eliza sa Tahima. Samantalang dito, ano ito? Anong ginagawa dito nung maliit? Nag-aabang na sa inyo sa ilalim. Bawi! Receive! National! Dito ka!
At yun na yung pinag-usapan natin, Mos, kanina. Paano nila atakihin si Giselle Tan na nandyan sa harap? Jem Ferrer is already, sometimes a liability.
Yes.
Eh di lalo na si Giselle, who's even smaller than Jem. Ordaz, full swing. Giselle finding Eliza Valdez.
And this is the adjustment I was talking about. Eliza Valdez, it was really close to the net, but she adjusted, and look at her go.
At parang pinapat niya at the back na itong si Giselle Tan.
Good job.
Oo, parang ganyan lang. Now National U is scampering. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga tao dito sa arena, Mosey, sa nakikita nilang aksyon. Santiago from the back line.
Once again.
What a weapon to have.
That's right. Nathan Santiago, deadly on this Last play, yung ang dami na niya na coming from the back row and even deadlier when she's in front. Diba? Yun ang masakit dun eh. Umaatake na from the back row. She strings up some points from there na dapat defense lang. And pagpunta pa niya sa harap makes a lot of difference.
Valdez though is stepping up her game. Sabi nga nila, di pa tapos sa boxing. 2 puntos pa para panalo ng National University itong second set. Humihirit pa itong Ateneo dito sa huli. And Valdez though goes to the back line. Reyes misreceived that one. Santiago again directs it to the other side. Tan goes to Kainglet. Swipes it and ties the game at 23.
That's right. Kainglet playing in smart against Dadang. Look at this. Combination play, only one blocker. Kainglet swiping it.
And a new girl comes in, Andrea Marzan, for blocking. Comes in and alam naman kasi nila, si Phil ang pinaka number 1 option and probably the only option there in front.
All eyes on Phil, definitely.
Yes. Pablo again. Mistimed yung tapak ni Valdez. She was going left while the ball was going right. Pablo continues to sparkle here, Mosey.
Well, it starts with this.
Look at that.
Pinadaan kay Giselle.
That's a beautiful approach. Look at her.
And from approach alone, you know na si Pablo, malakas yung palo niya.
Lazaro. Kainglet again. Balik na naman sila kay Phil. Pwede ba yan?
Oh! And Phil gets it.
Look at the crowd at the arena's going crazy here with the play that they're seeing here in the UAAP.
That deserves a second look. Look at Phil. Again, one blocker only for Phil.
It's just